In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a Zoho email account. Whether you're looking to set up a new personal email, or you're just curious about Zoho Mail's offerings, I'll guide you through each step clearly and concisely. So, let's get started. First, open your preferred web browser and navigate to Zoho Mail's website. Once you're on their homepage, take a moment to browse around and familiarize yourself with the layout. You'll see that Zoho offers a range of products, but for now, let's focus on creating your email account. Look for the option that says Personal Email. This should be clearly visible. Click on this checkbox. It's important to choose personal email because Zoho also provides enterprise solutions, and we want to ensure we're setting up the right type of account for your needs. Next, you'll be prompted to type in your desired username. This is the name that will appear before @zohomail.com, so choose something that feels right for you and is easy to remember. Keep in mind that your first choice might already be taken, so have a few alternatives ready just in case. After you've settled on a username, it's time to create your password. Passwords should always be strong and unique, so aim for a mix of letters, numbers, and symbols. Not only will this protect your information, but it'll also keep your account secure from unauthorized access. Now, let's move on to entering your personal details. Start by typing in your first name followed by your last name. Try to be accurate with this as it helps in keeping your account information consistent. Next, you'll see a field asking for your mobile number. Go ahead and type that in. Zoho uses this number as part of their security measures, so make sure you have access to the number you provide. They might send you a verification code or OTP to confirm your identity. After you've entered your mobile number, you'll be asked to re-enter it. This is just a double check to ensure there are no typos, which could cause issues later on. One of the final steps is to click on the checkbox agreeing to Zoho's terms of service. It's always a good idea to read through these terms, so you're aware of your rights and responsibilities as a user. And now, for the moment of truth, click on the Sign Up button. After this, keep an eye on your phone for a one-time password or OTP, which will allow you to activate your account. Once you've entered the OTP, you'll be all set to explore everything Zoho Mail has to offer. That's all there is to it. You now have a shiny new Zoho email account, ready to use for all your emailing needs. If you have any questions or run into any issues, feel free to leave a comment below. Thanks for watching and enjoy your new email.